And today it's John Marston. Howdy. And today we have Arthur and John, and we're gonna be making pancakes.
Wow. For Valentine's Day.
For Valentine's Day?
What is that?
I don't really sound like John. I sound like Dutch.
It's John Marston.
So we need one bowl.
Arthur, you sounded a bit girly.
I got tuberculosis. Anyway, whisk together one large egg and 420 milliliters of water in a bowl.
That's not a whisk.
We have an egg and we have some water.
This is not a whisk. Okay, I'll get a whisk, Arthur.
Because I'm Arthur Morgan, I'm gonna be breaking the egg. Ready for this?
Yeah, you break these.
Sorry. Flipping. Oh, that was a nice crack. No, it's not. And that is how you break an egg. I gotta go wash my hands. You whisk.
I whisk. Whisk together one large egg and 420 milliliters of water into the bowl. So we're gonna put the water in there. That's what we're gonna do.
Then the instructions say that is a horrible noise.
I whisk it, Arthur.
Good job, dude. Maybe I should have been Dutch. Like, I'm John, Arthur. I'm gonna use some cheese and 192 grams. That's not bad. Of McDougal's classic mix.
You gotta put the McDougal's in there,
and whisk it too smooth.
The McDougal's.
It's out of date. So do I just put it out of it?
Have you lightly oiled a medium-sized fry?
Well, that's the next step, y'all.
Okay, I'm sorry.
I cannot open the bag.
Let me do it. You whisk.
Do it over. I was testing my strength. I got serious tuberculosis. I got TB.
I got lumbago.
No, you don't.
I'm Dutch for the Michael. So for John.
Next we add.
Cup of Joe. Good cup of Joe.
Next we add in the McDougal's mix.
McDougal's mix.
The out of date McDougal's mix.
Doesn't look very out of date to me.
It might taste out of date.
Nah, it don't matter.
I think you got it, John. And then we whisk. This is not sponsored by McDougal's pancake mix. Well,
you're not very good.
I don't know how to mix, John.
Let John whisk.
There's some nice mixing, John.
Thanks, Arthur.
We did wash our hands before this.
All clean.
I think you're done mixing there, John.
I think it's pretty good mix.
Yeah, I think, yeah. Next, we shall move over to the pan fry.
The pan fry.
We would never use it nowadays.
We use pans in our day. What are you talking about?
Oh yeah, we have ovens. Do we have ovens?
I don't know. We have fire.
Fire. So now,
Pan.
John, we have to lightly oil a medium-sized frying pan and heat until very hot. What a nice spritz, John. So now we fire. Beautiful.
Gay. As if homosexual.
Do we have to do the flippity flop? I don't know how to do the flippity. Do you know how to do the flippity flop?
Oh, we can try. It'll be funny.
So, John, I don't trust myself
To put in the butter.
Hang on. So we just.
I'll get a plate.
That looks like enough batter for a pancake. I'm making pancakes, Mama.
On the side. Then turn over.
Now we wait 2 minutes. If Dad could see me now, he would be so proud of me. Welcome to Arthur Morgan's cooking channel. I'm a bad man. I'm making bad pancakes.
Just make pancakes.
Making pancakes.
We need like a flippity flop thing. Because God knows we're not going to be able to flip it.
I think this is one. Whatever. I found the flippity flop.
Yeah. Arthur's cooking channel.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Flippy flop.
Oh! And Arthur flipped the pancake! Marker, this ain't for you. You get no pancakes. We're gonna set the house on
John is
fire.
freakishly taller than Arthur Morgan.
It's the side effect of having tuberculosis, you know.
Really?
Get smaller. John, I made a pancake. I made a pancake,
Hey,
John.
John.
Turn down the fire like about a loud. Oh my god, it's making noises.
Got a cooking channel. Making pancakes with John Ramsey. So,
My pancake is burnt, John.
it's a bit more.
You want this pancake because I know you like burnt.
I like that pancake. I think we should flip it.
Flip it down.
Flip
Yeah, flip it, flip it.
You ready for
I
flip flop?
I would not.
Ready? Ready?
Look,
Here we go. Oh god.
this is not gonna go well.
It needs a bit more.
Hey!
Arthur, this is the main guy. I'm only here because
You getting pancakes out of it. You
get
getting
pancakes.
Look,
Sorry.
don't leave the fire on. So now that you have made your pancakes, you can put whatever you want. I chose this. Nutella. Not sponsored by Nutella.
Oh, golden syrup.
They put this weird golden foil over it, making it oh my god, John, it's gold.
It's gold.
There we go. No, we need that money done.
Golden syrup.
Oh my god!
Pancake.
Pancake. John, how'd you rate your pancake?
Good. Bit burnt, but good.
I'm glad. Pancake is also a bit burnt, but I'll rate it good. Yummy. I'm gonna use some cheese. This has been Arthur
And John Marston.
making pancakes.
Maybe I should have just done like this.